What's going on, YouTube? I'm spending my day off with my good friend Ebony. Say hi. I'll give me some lip plumpers. My lips look plump. Her lips look plump.
The lies. Just told me anything.
We are going to the beach on our day off to talk some business and have some lady talk. We are leaving Hartford to go to, where are we going? Ocean Beach. We're going to Ocean Beach. Get some good things. We got
iced coffee. Starbucks, I'm jealous. Soy milk, no sugar. And I got Dunkin' Donuts. Cool lot of watermelon. What you drinking? Cool lot of watermelon.
In the dirty computer, I like that. Janelle Monáe. It's 10:49 in the morning. I got oil on my face. I got my fishnet. To Ocean State Park, and it's $17
motherfucking dollars to park, and the slide ain't free.
Fuck the slide. And how am I supposed
to vlog with 3 motherfucking %?
Assed out. They got a gym. They got a beach gym. Look at that. They got a carousel.
Look at Barbie.
Ebony got the booty shorts.
Is that the stank walk? That's the stank. My shit don't stink walk. Say that.
Can I get 2 cups?
Just 2 cups?
Yeah, I just want 2 cups.
Yeah. Which one? 2?
Thank you.
No problem.
Bird. Look at the bird. Bird. Bird is the word. 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 Love ya. Ooh. Loves and love ya. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. A $12 manicure
for what?
$12 manicure for what? This hand's not. Well, this one is. Where is it? Where's the camera? There we go. Look at that. Chipped it. It's horrible.
But look at the toes though. Toes are intact.
Me getting sun. Tan, baby, tan. And I look extra
tan from what she says.
Tell you that. What is this called again? Was fighting crap. I'm like, make sure that you like and subscribe, and make sure that you also follow my friend Ebony.